It's Veronica, your friendly Tupperware lady. The lighting is really bad in here. Ooh. Okay, so I am going to make an orange dreamsicle cake. It's got 2 ingredients. It has orange soda and a cake mix. I'm going to whip it up in the Power Chef. And along here it has measuring lines. You can't see them in the video. I don't think you can see them at all. But anyway, there's measuring lines here. It's a can of soda, and if you don't have a can of soda, it's 12 ounces, and there's lines on here, so you don't even need a measuring cup. I think I just scared Elliot. Now I'm going to take my cake mix and dump it in, because I found that if you dump in dry after the wet, it is a little bit easier to pull. Get it all over the counter. Do I have it all yet? Oh, cake mix. Alright, cake mix. Now, put this on here. Set it on there, twist it till it turns. What?
It's not all good.
It's not? Oh, it's not on there yet, she says. Yeah, can't get it off.
Nope.
Nope. It's not really this hard, you guys. I'm just tired.
You're not getting it on this side.
I know, I didn't have it on the other side either. I must not have it in the middle.
There you go.
Got it. Gotta get down there and look at it. Okay, so, there we go. Isn't that pretty? Look at that orange and white. It looks like a dreamsicle already. Alright. All we have to do is pull. Did you see that? One freaking pull. Now you don't want to over pull it because you don't want to over mix it. It's a cake. Get all too many air bubbles in it. Ooh. Ta-ta! Can you see it there without me spilling it? Now I'm going to take out my paddle. Excuse me for just a minute. Oops. My handy dandy Tupperware silicone spatula. Make sure it's all stirred up, and lo and behold, it is. What was that, 4 pulls? Okay, now we're going to take the Tupperware stack cooker. We're going to make a cake in the microwave in 7 minutes. This is the bottom part of the stack cooker. It's a, I forget how many quarts, 3 quarts. This is the cone that goes in it that you use just like a bundt pan. I'm going to take my orange cake and pour in here. Holy cow, that smells good.
It tastes good too.
I can't believe it only took 4 pulls. Every time I do it, I'm like, what? Elliot wants cake. You want cake?
You want some cake?
You ready for some cake?
You want some cake?
All right. Got our cake ready. Gonna take the cake. Gonna put it in the microwave. Stick it in there for, see if you can see this. Do I have it on there? For 7 minutes. And I'll be back. So I'll take the cake out of the microwave. Can you smell it? Can you see it? Look at that. I know it's kind of pale. It's the microwave. It's not going to brown. But it's come away from the side of the pan. Touch it. It feels just like a regular cake. I got to let it sit there and cool for a little bit. And then I'm going to dump it out and we're going to eat cake. This is my biggest impressions bowl. This is the seal. This is the bowl. This is going to be a cake cover. In just a minute, I'm going to put the cake on this. Cross your fingers, cross your eyes, cross your toes. I think I didn't get it in the middle. Woohoo! Look at that. I know it's not colored dark like a cake, but who cares? It's going to be really good as soon as it cools. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my bowl, use it as a cake cover because I don't have a round cake taker yet. I'm sorry, I'm a failure. But here you go. But I can't leave that on there now. Alright, thank you very much. Hey, it's me again. Gotta show you something else. This is nothing really that I've ever done before. I have no idea how it's going to work. But this right here is the quick shake container. It also has measuring marks that you can actually see on the video here. Those are milliliters. This right here is ounces and cups. Yeah, ounces and cups. Can you see it? Anyway, this is my leftover orange soda. This is the blender wheel that I'm going to stick on top of the quick shake container. This is the handy dandy little spout. It's a seal. Screws on. And you shake stuff up in it. Put your finger here just to make sure. That is way too not enough powdered sugar. That is like a, oh, I should drink it. Gonna have to have more powdered sugar there, Assistant Christina. Oh, I told you it was too much soda. Gotta stretch over here. I'm gonna put like a ton in there. We're gonna have leftover glaze if anybody wants to come by and get some. Knew I should have drank more of the soda. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. I think it's still too wet. Yeah, but not as bad. Give me just a little hit more. I can lick my thumbs because it's just me and Christina. I gave birth to her, so she gets a little bit of my spit. It's not going to matter. Where's my blender wheel? What did you do? Oh no, now we have orange soda glaze in the powdered sugar. So anyway. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. We've made a mess here. Because we don't know what we're doing. Because it's soda. I mean, come on. Take my little blender wheel out. It's still a little runny. I think I could put it on there. No. This is going to be way too much, Christina.
Make another cake.
We're making a huge mess over here. Look at this huge mess. Oh, that's a lot. There's got to be at least 2 cups powdered sugar. And like, what would that be, like 3 or 4 ounces of soda?
Oh no.
I have powdered sugar on me, and it looks like I've really been working hard instead of playing.
Too much.
No, I think this feels better. Oh, and it's so pretty. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. I can't touch the phone to show you. See it? I don't want to dump it out on the cake yet. It's not cool enough yet. But we will soon. Yes, we will. I can't turn the phone off. I still can't turn the phone off.